Hello all, hello sir. I am Spoorthi K.P. studying in GM University in the Department of IHC for taking a subject in technical competency as BE in Cybersecurity. Now I'll be demonstrating the code explanation along with its output of image stignography. Let's see how the code proceeds. Now I'll be demonstrating the code explanation and its output of image stignography. The first line of the code says that from Tinker import web browser from Tinker import message box. From Tinker import, it says that it imports a required modules and import web browser. It lets you open a web page in your default web browser. From Tinker import message box, it shows us a pop-up dialog boxes like alerts and information boxes. Now, the fifth line of the code says that define website. It opens a website where messagebox.showinfo website want to open website GMU. It shows a message box with the title website and message want to open a website GMU and web browser.open and here the URL of GMU that is www.gmu.ac.in. This opens the GM University website in your default web browser and the function call happens here. Import subprocess, the function to run another Python script where define OTP and command is equal to Python image stignography p is equal to subprocess dot propen cmd shell will be equal to true. Now this subprocess function is intended to run on another script named as image stignography.py. And the fourth part of the program is creating the GUI window where GUI is equal to and GUI.title image stignography. This sets to the title image stignography. GUI.geometry 900 into 600. The size of the window is 900 pixel wide and 600 pixel tall and GUI.configuration where background is in hex code where background color is light pink and the hex code is given as hash FF97B5 and logo IM is equal to photo image file is equal to pictures logo.png. This line of the code says that it loads an image logo.png from the picture folder. Next, logo this line of the code says that logo B is equal to button GUI, comma, image will be equal to logo IM. Command is equal to website dot place x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. When this adds the button using that image and when the button is clicked, it calls the function website function. It is placed at position 0, 0 in the window. Now the other part of the program proceeds as follows. Adding the heading label Python, where info will be equal to label GUI, text is equal to GM University, Davangere font will be equal to Arial 50 and bold is equal to hash FF97B5 and front ground will be equal to hash FF0000 dot place where x is equal to 190 and y will be equal to 40. This line of code says that the font is Arial and size is 50 which is in bold. The background color matches the window color. Text color is dark maroon which is positioned at 190 and 40. Now the last part of the program proceeds as adding the project button. Pro B will be equal to button GUI text is equal to project command will be equal to OT dot place x will be equal to 250 and y is equal to 200. This line of the code says that when clicked it triggers the OTP function which tries to run to the other Python script which is positioned at 250 and 200. Now the running the GUI loop will be as GUI.main loop. It starts the its to I event loop and this keeps the window open and listens for user actions. Now, the summary of this program says that it shows a logo and the label for GM University and has a button to open the university's website. Now, let's see how the output comes. Now, I'll be running the code run GUI, where the GUI is as follows logo. So image stignography deals with hiding the information in the image. Now I'll just click on the logo of the GM University. Let's see what it opens or what the information it contains. University. So here we get the warning. Want to open website GMU. I'll click on OK. So the web browser opens. Now we have proceeded with the website of GM University where we can see the login page and although admission open and all. So in this way, we can hide the information in image, and this process in the cybersecurity is called as image technography. I would like to thank sir for giving this opportunity for me to run the image technography project. Thank you, sir, and thank you all.